How to reset app data in Money Manager. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your app data in Money Manager. A useful step if you want to start fresh or fix any issues. So let's get started. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. Here, tap on this More tab. Right here, tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on this Backup. Tap on it. You will see a complete reset right here. Or you can also see reset contains only, others remain. So tap on any reset you want. Tap on complete reset if you want to completely reset it. Tap the complete reset. App will warn you that this will erase all your transactions and settings, so be sure and tap on yes. And you need to enter this number, enter it, and as you can see the reset is completed. Tap on OK. Make sure to back up your data before resetting it if you want to set anything important. And that's it. Resetting your Money Manager app data is simple but powerful when you need a clean slate. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.